Before we get into today's video, guys, please make sure to go ahead and scroll on down and smash that subscribe button to join me on all my Minecraft adventures, guys. Hey guys, welcome back to another video with Jermaine, me, and Smooth Marky, and in today's video we're going to be heading to the girlfriend's dimension. That's right, guys, and hopefully picking ourselves up a lovely lady, guys, that will treat us with the utmost respect. Hopefully, guys. She'll probably just slap me and step on my foot or something, guys. But what you guys are going to need to head to this dimension, you're going to need 10 pink wool. You want to go ahead and place 2 of them just like that, guys. Then you're going to need fur magenta wool. You want to go ahead and place 1 of those on each side of your pink wool. Then you just want to go ahead and jump on up and then place 1, 2, 3 pink wool, guys, and then 1 magenta wool on top. Now you just want to go ahead, look around, make sure you don't see no angry boyfriends. Oh my god, that cow looks angry. And now you just want to go ahead and jump on down and just go ahead and place 3 pink wool on this side. So 1, 2, 3, and then 2 in the middle, guys, and then 1 on the edge, and boom, you are finished, guys. Wow, that cow looks crazy. Now you just want to go ahead after you're done looking at your cow and jump on down and take a look at this absolutely amazing, beautiful, epic frame you have just built. Now it's time to go ahead and light this baby up and get yourself a date. Hopefully you will get yourself a date in this dimension, because trust me, there's going to be a lot of women. So let's go ahead and head on in, and hopefully this loads up quick before I'm a senior. No woman wants to date me, she only wants to bath me. But oh my gosh, what the heck? What the heck? Oh my god, guys, they have a swimming pool with women. Oh my god, you're kind of freaky. Your eyes are white. Why are your eyes so white? That is crazy, guys. But maybe that's just how you know when women like you, is their eyes will turn completely white. That could be I don't know. That's just freaky. I'm not gonna off into the pool, guys. But let's go ahead and climb on up this and jump into the water, guys. Whoa, that looks like a far drop. And oh my god, what is going on over here, guys? Like, the land's missing. I'm not even sure what's up with that, but let's go ahead and jump on down. Whoa, guys, somehow they're actually walking underwater. I didn't even notice that till just now, guys. But that's freaky. But what's going on over here, guys? Did you guys blow up your house or something? Why is there no house over here? That is crazy, guys. Oh my gosh. That is crazy. There's just a swimming pool and no house. There's a little building over there on the other side, but no house. That makes no sense whatsoever, guys. And there's a bunch of slime balls. Are these women picking their noses and picking slime balls out of there, guys? Like, I'm not even for sure what's going on with this, guys. Like I said, there is a big building right here, but even half of this building seems to be missing. Oh my god, this creeper's coming right for us. Oh, wow, that was a massive explosion. Oh my god, the skeleton's really going to try to shoot us. Bro, I'm not trying to take your women, bro. Actually, I kind of am trying to take your women, bro. I'm just being honest with you. But wow, guys, I cannot believe this. I cannot believe this. You know what? I'm going to go ahead and blow this whole place up with some TNT, guys, because this is really what they deserve. This is really what they deserve. So let's go ahead and put the TNT all the way over this dimension, guys, because it's already glitching out. Let's just go ahead and see what the TNT is going to do to it. Are you ready, pig? Are you ready for me to blow up all your lovely ladies? Now, I didn't bring you into this dimension, pig, for you to take my ladies. Do you understand that? Oh my god, he's chasing my lady. That was my favoriteest lady. You do not try to get with my favoriteest lady. You know what? I'm going to go ahead and blow up this TNT right now for that, guys. For my pig doing that, I'm blowing up the TNT. Boom! Oh my god, I went flying up into the air. Oh shoot! Whoa, guys, did you guys see that? I actually went flying up into the air, and then I somehow went flying backwards. That was epic, guys. I cannot believe that. But whoa, I can't believe this. I can't believe that like half of this dimension's missing. Like, obviously some of the blocks didn't load in or something correctly, guys. I'm not for sure. Let me go ahead and try to knock her off. Come on. Oh my gosh, guys, I can't even knock her off for some reason. Maybe it's because she's stronger than me. I'm not really for sure, guys. But you know what? I'm going to go ahead and jump into the void and see if it kills me, guys. If it kills me, I'm sorry, and I just want to say goodbye. Oh my god, guys, I'm actually in the void, and I'm not dying. This is epic, guys. Let me know what you guys thought about this absolutely amazing dimension down in the comment section below. And as always, guys, if you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, thanks for watching, guys. Bye.